candidate not nominated by any political party hereafter called as independent candidate shall choose and shall be allocated one of the symbols not allocated to any political
The
party.
person who is not affiliated with any party, he is
May I request Justice Jamal to use the mic?
the person who did not file any certificates from any party, certificate of affiliation. That person is called independent. Otherwise, दो ही कैटेगरी.
जरा सा आगे पढ़िएगा and shall be allotted one of the symbols not allotted to any political
वो
party.
अलग बात है.
तो सिंबल भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So there are two conditions.
हम इस वक्त आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि इंडिपेंडेंट
जी
Kindly come to the annex to this.
इंडिपेंडेंट की
नेक्स्ट
Annex to the statute.
जी.
Form A जो है ना, उसको उस पे आइए ना.
जी कौन सा वाला फॉर्म सर कोई
Form A.
फॉर्म है
Election Act का जो है.
जी
Form A.
जी
इसमें देखिए, इसमें जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म आता है
जी
वो है फॉर असेंबली सेनेट, फिर है फॉर सेनेट इलेक्शन, फिर आइए डिक्लेरेशन एंड ओथ ऑफ पर्सन नॉमिनेटेड.
जी
इसको जरा काइंडली पढ़िए.
स्टार्टिंग में लिखा है डू नॉट बिलोंग टू एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी.
इसको जरा काइंडली पढ़ें.
सर
I, the above named candidate, do hereby declare on oath that अब Roman 2 पढ़ेंगे. Have you got?
सर फॉर्म ए को आप कर रहे हैं.
फॉर्म ए में देखिए, फॉर्म ए में लिखा है ना, नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म फॉर इलेक्शन टू एन.
जी 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 जी
Then the next is for Senate election only.
जी जी जी
Then it is
declaration सही.
Tell us-
I, the above named candidate, hereby declare on oath that I have consented to
नहीं,
the
वो one छोड़ दे, one छोड़ दे.
to I belong dash the name of the political party
And आगे पढ़ें.
and a certificate from the political party showing that I am a party candidate from the above constituency is attached or I do not belong to any political party.
So if a person files a nomination paper saying I belong to party X
Yes.
and attaches the certificate from that political party, ठीक है? Because we are, for this clause, we are only concerned with political
Yes.
parties. So which says that yes, he is our candidate. That person is not an independent candidate.
Yes.
He is a candidate of a political party.
Yes.
Only that person who has made a declaration, I do not belong to any political party.
Yes.
Now, the question is that you have told us yesterday that all of these candidates who are now with you in your camp, they filed their nomination papers, and in those nomination papers, they made declarations that they belong to PTI.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This is what the statute says.
Yes.
It doesn't say you need to have a symbol.
Yes.
Election symbol. All it says is you need to have that party
Yes.
affiliation.
Yes.
Those nomination papers, as I understand it, but kindly correct me if I've got it wrong, were never repudiated by PTI, nor were they rejected by definition by anyone, because they went through the scrutiny process, and those people naturally stood for election and they got elected. Surely, as a matter of law, I applying the Principal Parent Act, all of those persons were PTI returned candidates. How can rule-making power of the Election Commission, especially in the context of Rule 94, go against the parent statute and impose this additional condition of election symbol?
Yes.
Where does that come from?
Yes.
Does it come from the Principal Act or not?
Yes.
This
ये
is
बात
the
कल से
thing.
मैं कल से यही बात समझा
मैं अब इन दोनों का जवाब दे दूं.
एक ही जवाब.
अगर आप फॉर्म 33 देख लें विद द इलेक्शन रूल्स,
That is just कि election symbol किसको allocate होना है.
बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो मैं आपको ऑर्डर दिखाऊंगा इलेक्शन कमीशन.
But the Principal
I'll come to that. I'll come to
Principal
that.
Act doesn't say that. All that the Principal Act requires is, it is assumed, it is implicit that they will all be participating on the same election symbol. But in the very peculiar facts of this case, of this general election, that didn't happen. But the question is, to my mind is, does that nullify what is written as a matter of law in the parent statute itself. Can rule-making power negate the parent statute? Can it be inconsistent? And all that is required as per Form A. This is not a form made by ECP. Under the old law, they used to make the form. This is Parliament that has done that. All that is required is give us that form, make that declaration, give us the, that's it. Election symbol is totally-
67 से
कौन सा फॉर्म कह रहे थे जी?
Sir, I will answer this question by first explaining to your lordship what actually happened. Sir, Form 33.
फॉर्म 30?
पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूं एक्चुअली हुआ क्या, फिर मैं इस सवाल पे आता हूं.
इसमें से एक जो अभी इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कशन है विच आई एम फॉलोइंग.
सर, आपका वैसे वो सवाल रह गया था फैक्स का नंबर 2 का.
बिकॉज आप
यू हैव बीन वेरी ग्रेशियस कि आप
नहीं, अब इसी पे हैं तो इसी पे रहिए. तो इससे तो जाहिर ये होता है अगर हम 67(3) फॉर्म ए को पढ़ें
जी,
तो जो लोग हमारे सामने नहीं है
जी,
जिनका आप कह रहे हैं मैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं
जी,
वो तो सारे पीटीआई के हैं.
जी,
वो तो फिर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी छोड़ रहे हैं, ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो इंडिपेंडेंट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आ नहीं पाएंगे. वो तो फिर एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के मेंबरान हैं, वो आपको ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, वो इंडिपेंडेंट में नहीं आ रहे हैं. ये मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ. ठीक, क्या गलत है तो बता दीजिए. जी,
डिफेक्शन क्लॉज नहीं लगेगी फिर?
नहीं, मेरा नहीं ख्याल के लगेगी. आई कम टू, 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट कर लूं फैक्ट्स, फिर मैं इस सवाल पे आता
तो
हूं.
मैं सारे वो फैक्ट्स खत्म करना चाह रहा था मगर आप फिर
नहीं,
बात
मैं
खोल दी तो
सर
सवाल
बस
उठ
मैं
गया.
ये चीज कर दूं, then I'll come to that. Number 2. I'm sorry. Sir,
I think the question then revolves around if they were in these forms declared as PTI candidates. Subsequently, on account of the loss of the symbol, they could not contest the election as PTI candidates because they could not show themselves as PTI candidates through the symbol, election symbol. So then on what basis did the Election Commission allocate them separate symbols, giving them the opportunity to contest the election as independents?
Yes.
Because the Election Commission did give them symbols and said go ahead and contest them.
Yes.
So they recognized them as independent candidates and said here are your independent symbols, please go and so is there a form for that? Because at the end of the day what matters is the manner in which all this proceeded, and since the Election Commission has not disputed this position and has allowed them to contest the election as independents, then they, remaining within the framework of the Constitution, joined a political party as independents.
yes. Not only did the Election Commission allow them, but I would show from the order of the Election Commission, your ladyship, actually forced them to run as independents.
The question which my lord
Compelling circumstances are relevant here.
the question
See,
which my
the point is, the reason for that, why that happened, it seems to me, is that there was an intervening event.
Yes.
And that event was that the denial to the political party of the election symbol,
Ji.
which was upheld finally by the Supreme Court
Ji.
and affirmed. The Election Commission could not deny that they were members of a political party because of this form.
Yes.
But they couldn't allocate an election symbol to them because of the judgment.
Yes.
The only possible answer, course then was to allocate a symbol which was not given to any other political party.
Yes.
And that's all that happened.
This-
It denied them both.
This
That does
this
not-
answer is
question to you is, does that change their status and make them independent?
Let me
This
first
is the
show to your lordship what happened, and then I'll answer the question. पहले मैं दिखा दूं कि क्या हुआ actually.
लॉ पे जरा चलें. 67(2) अगर पढ़ेंगे, 67(2) पढ़ लें जरा.
सर, अगर आप देख लेते हुआ क्या है
एक मिनट
तो
के लिए होने कुछ बाद में देखें. जैसे माय लॉर्ड जस्टिस मुनीर साहब ने कहा कि